In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address on a QuickBooks invoice. Whether you're moving to a new business location, updating your billing information, or simply need to correct an error, adjusting your address in QuickBooks is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through every step so you can ensure your invoices reflect the right information, making your accounting tasks just a bit easier. Let's start with the initial step, accessing QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. The homepage is the gate to numerous features and services that QuickBooks offers, so finding your way from here will be a breeze. One of the very first things you'll need to do upon reaching the homepage is to sign in. Look for the Sign In option, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the Sign In page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. At this point, you'll type in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's essential to ensure that the email address and password you enter are accurate and match those you used when setting up your QuickBooks account. Once you've entered this information, proceed by clicking the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Next, you might encounter a security step designed to verify your identity. QuickBooks takes your account security seriously, so you may be asked to choose a verification method from a few options. This could include receiving a code via text message, email, or answering security questions based on your account settings. Follow the instructions to verify your identity and gain access to your account. Now that you're signed in, head over to the settings area of your account. You'll find the settings option, usually characterized by a gear icon, in the top right corner of the page. This section is where you can adjust various account settings, including your address information. Within the settings menu, look for Account and Settings and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive menu where you can manage many aspects of your QuickBooks account, including personal information, billing details, and more. The next step involves finding the Address section. Once in the Account and Settings area, navigate through the tabs until you locate the section dedicated to your address information. This could be tagged under Company or a similar name. The aim here is to locate where your current business address is displayed. Upon finding the address section, it's time to update your information. Click into the field that displays your current company address. Here you will replace the old address with the new one. Be meticulous in updating your address. Ensuring every detail is accurate from the street number to the zip code will save you potential headaches down the line. Finally, after you've entered your new address, it's essential to save these changes to ensure they are applied to your account and future invoices. Look for the Save button, which is often at the bottom or top of the page, and click it. This action will confirm and apply your address change. That's it. You've successfully updated your business address in QuickBooks. This updated information should now reflect on your future invoices and any other relevant documents within QuickBooks. It's a simple step, but one that's crucial for maintaining the accuracy of your financial statements and ensuring smooth communication with clients and vendors. Remember, keeping your business information current in QuickBooks goes beyond just invoices. It impacts your overall account's credibility and legal compliance, especially when dealing with financial institutions or undergoing audits. So, taking the time to update your address or any other critical business information as soon as changes occur is always a good practice. As you continue to explore and utilize QuickBooks for your business needs, keep in mind these steps for updating your information. QuickBooks is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making tasks like changing an address straightforward so you can focus more on running your business and less on administrative tasks. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials that will assist you in managing your business finances more effectively.